Can't sign into OneDrive because of error code 0x8004de40? Your internet works fine, but OneDrive still says it can't connect? Yeah, that's annoying. This usually happens when the OneDrive desktop app can't reach Microsoft Cloud services because of network, VPN, proxy, or security settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OneDrive error 0x8004de40 without risking your files. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. Method 1. Check OneDrive Web and your network. First, open OneDrive Web in your browser and sign in with the same Microsoft account. If it opens normally, your cloud files are likely safe, and the issue is probably with the OneDrive desktop app. If OneDrive Web also fails, try opening other websites like YouTube or check your speed on fast.com. If your network is stable but OneDrive still shows error code 0x8004de40, then something on your PC may be blocking the connection. Method 2. Check proxy and VPN settings. Open Settings and go to Network and Internet. Then click Proxy. Here, make sure there are no strange or unnecessary proxy settings enabled. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. After turning off the VPN or proxy, restart OneDrive and try signing in again. Method 3. Check TLS settings. TLS is a security protocol that helps Windows connect safely to online services like OneDrive. If TLS is disabled or misconfigured, OneDrive may fail to connect and show error code 0x8004de40. On both Windows 10 and Windows 11, press Windows plus R. Type in etcpl.cpl and hit Enter. This opens Internet Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Security section. Now make sure Use TLS 1.2 is checked. On Windows 11, TLS 1.2 is usually already enabled, but yeah, it's still worth checking. Click Apply, then OK. Now restart your PC and try signing in to OneDrive again. Method 4. Unlink this PC and sign in again. Right-click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. Click the gear icon, then choose Settings. Go to Account. Click Unlink this PC. Confirm the action. Now restart your computer. After that, open OneDrive again and sign in with your Microsoft account. This forces OneDrive to rebuild the connection between your PC and your cloud account. And don't panic. Unlinking your PC does not delete your cloud files, but if you have very important local files that have not synced yet, copy them to another folder first, just to be safe. Method 5. Restart or reset OneDrive. If OneDrive still won't sign in, restart the app first. If the error is still there, press Windows plus R, paste this command, and hit Enter. If Windows says it can't find OneDrive, try this command instead. OneDrive may disappear for a moment. That's normal. If it doesn't reopen automatically, launch it again from the Start menu and try signing in. This refreshes OneDrive and can clear broken cache or stuck connection settings. Method 6. How to recover missing or damaged files. Fixing OneDrive can get your account connected again, but it may not bring back files that were already deleted, lost, or never synced to the cloud. So if this error happened after a Windows update, or system crash, reset, or failed sync, and now some local files are missing, stop using that drive as much as possible. Then try 4DDIG data recovery. It can scan your PC, external drive, USB drive, SD card, or even your local OneDrive folder to look for deleted or missing files. Just choose the location, start the scan, preview the files, and recover them to a different safe drive. Exactly. OneDrive fixes the connection. 4DDIG data recovery helps when your local files are already gone. And if the files are recovered but damaged or won't open, you can quickly try 4DDIG file repair to fix corrupted videos, photos, documents, and more. It is recommended to download the free trial version first to check if there is a chance to fix the files. We offer a 3-day free trial in our product description. Why not give it a try?